Oliver, we have yet another report on what's wrong with the banking sector, this time from a UK parliamentary committee headed by Andrew Tait. Does it tell us anything we didn't know?
It doesn't tell us a vast amount that we didn't know already. We knew that bankers behaved very badly in the past and that taxpayers and shareholders have been badly served by them and that things need to change in the banks. It tells us more of that. But what it does is come up with more proposals for how to deal with the banking system, as well as the Basel III rules and the CRD4 rules in Europe and the Independent Commission on Banking from last year. Now we have a parliamentary commission, which in turn has ordered a lot more studies on various areas of banking. So there's plenty to keep regulators and lawyers busy.
Indeed. I mean, this seems to focus quite a lot on who should be held responsible and how they should be held responsible. Is that right?
Yes, one of the main elements of it is how to hold individuals responsible for what happened. The view of the committee is that in the aftermath of the crisis, that the key people responsible were able to somehow evade responsibility. They didn't lose out nearly as much as they should have done. So there are new proposals such as deferring some elements of bonus for up to 10 years, allowing banks to claw back bonuses from people if it turns out there was any sort of problem that happened under their watch. Also to make it introduce a criminal offence for senior people at banks if they're in charge when a bank goes bust, or if there are severe problems, there could be criminal sanctions there. So very much the focus on the individual.
George Osborne, the British Chancellor, is due to make a speech this evening. Is he likely to follow up on this, and do you think it'd be a good idea if he did?
Well, he'll have to follow up in some way this evening. He'll probably make vaguely supportive noises and tell us all that the government will report back in a few months' time. He's also likely to talk about the privatisation of RBS and Lloyds, the banks in which the government still owns a stake. I'd be surprised if everything that the committee recommends actually finds its way into practice, but certainly there's a lot of work for the government in studying all of this.
Well, it sounds as if this is a debate which, having already rumbled on for 5 years, is going to rumble on for a considerable number more. Let's hope at the end of the day we get something sensible out of it.